Zach, I can't get you. There you are. Zachary, hi. Which one's Zach? Oh, there's Michael. And there's Amanda.
He wants the camera.
He wants the camera. Well, he's not going to get it. Okay, there, right there is the plumbing to go upstairs. It's soon to be covered. And here is the room. This is our soon-to-be kitchen. They lay the floor on tomorrow. There's Daddy working hard. Our French door. Over here is where that's where the refrigerator's gonna be. Yeah, quit. There's a plug. Amanda's showing the plug. Right there.
3 cars. Here's Rubbermaid.
Okay, Zach. Rubbermaid pool. That's where everything. This wall over here, and you come around here. There's the window. The sink will go right here. And the dishwasher. Tape you showing the plugs. Okay.
There's 3 plugs on
There's 3 plugs on that wall.
old.
There's a plug and it's old. Well, that's where the refrigerator's going. Got the ceiling all done here. It's what, 1 o'clock in the morning? Just got the lights done. And there's the ceiling, the new ceiling. There's the walls. Oh, come on, focusing on it. There it goes. There's the walls that he did. Here's the floor, the wonderful floor. Tomorrow will be a new floor. Actually, they said it would take about 3 days. There's where the refrigerator and a couple cabinets will go. Oh, here's where the stove. There's that plug. There's for the micro hood. More cabinets along there. Sink at the windows.
I gotta finish the switches.
He's got to finish the switches, but he just hooked up that.